Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's open the settings which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see, and the second bar, let's say the second row, is connected with the timer. We've got off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay, so 4 different options. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping on it, it will be immediately highlighted. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can turn off the timer the same way, so let's enter the settings and simply tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.